Good morning, students. Now I am going to take new topic for lesson 3. Okay, once again recall the previous topic. What is the topic? Unit number 3, Panchayat. What is the topic? Panchayat. Okay, Dandora. Dandora means in those days the people are informed to the important meetings or events in the village. That only used to the Dandora. Okay, the Panchayat they divide in 3 types: village level, block level, district level. Okay, student, village level, block level, district level. Village level means village Panchayat. Another name is Gram Panchayat. Another name is Gram Panchayat. Block level, then Panchayat Union. Another name is Panchayat Samiti. District level. District level means district Panchayat. Another name is Jilla Parishad. Okay, students. Okay, there are 12,620 Gram Panchayat in Tamil Nadu. How many Gram Panchayat in Tamil Nadu? 12,620. Okay. The term Gram Swaraj was introduced by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was introduced by Gram Swaraj. Okay, students. Let's see new topic. Okay, children. The Mutramerur inscriptions in Kanjipuram indicate that the Chola kingdom followed the Kudavole method to elect candidate for village administration. Okay, the Uttaramer inscription tell about the Kudavole method in Chola period. Okay, student. Now let's see. Kudavole is a traditional method of election. Okay, village people gather and write the names of the preferred candidate in palm leaves and kept it in a mud pot called kudam. The candidate having maximum number of leaves would be elected. Okay, in those days the village people gathered together to select the favorite leader, to write the name, put in the mud pot to shaking, and the candidate having maximum number of leaves would be selected. Okay, students, let's see next topic. Union. That what are the duties of this member? What are the duties of the member? The dad said their duty is to provide basic needs of the villagers. Okay, that duty is to provide the basic needs of the village people. Okay, the obligatory function of the Panchayat are providing electricity and maintaining the street light. Okay, student, then providing the electricity and maintaining the street light. Then construction and maintenance of village wealth. The construction and maintenance of village wealth. Okay, students, have you seen every village have common wells from their water supplied to villages? Okay, students, the next providing drinking water. The next duty is providing drinking water. Constructing roads and maintaining them. The laying the road and maintaining them. வேறு தெருக்களை ரோடு போடுவது அது மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுவது எல்லாமே இவங்களுடைய டியூட்டிஸ் தான். செட்டிங் அப் சீவேஜ் சேனல்ஸ். ஓகே, செட்டிங் அப் தி drainage channels. Okay, constructing small bridges. Okay, every villages they constructing the small bridges. Repairing primary school buildings. Okay, students, the primary, every village has primary school. Okay, those repairing the old buildings and build the new buildings. Okay, students, then providing sanitation facility. They provide sanitation facilities like public toilets. Okay, students, Union. Oh, they are doing so much work, but to do the work they need a lot of money. Okay, the Union said they are doing so much work, but they need a lot of money. They need a lot of money. அவங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த வேலையெல்லாம் செய்வதற்கு நிறைய என்ன தேவை, பணம் தேவை. வாட் வில் தே டூ ஃபார் த மணி, பணம் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு எங்கேருந்து கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னு யார் கேட்குறா, இனியன் கேட்குறா. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட், நவ் தென் ஃபாதர் answered, okay, that our central and state government provide money to the panchayat. We pay tax to panchayat. Panchayat use this money for the development of the village. Okay student, the father said our central and state government give the money, okay, to the panchayat board. So the panchayat board use the money, this money to for the development of the village. Okay student, the panchayat என்ன செய்யுது, இந்த நம்மளுடைய சென்ட்ரல் அண்ட் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் என்ன செய்யுதுன்னா இதுக்கு தேவையான மணியை வந்து அவங்க கொடுக்குறாங்க. அந்த மணியை வச்சு இவங்க என்ன செய்கிறாங்கன்னா வில்லேஜ் டெவலப்மெண்ட்டுக்காக என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, பயன்படுத்துகிறாங்க. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட், collecting tax is an obligatory function of panchayat. They do some discretionary function too, such as planting trees in either side of road. Okay, they are planting tree in the roadside. Okay, then second, setting up and maintenance of public market. Okay, the setting the public market and maintain them. Okay student, for example Udavar Sandhi. So the Udavar Sandhi set up the by panchayat. Okay, setting up a gardens. Okay, every village side, every places having the park. So the setting up the garden by panchayat. Establishing passenger lodging, setting up and maintenance of playground. They setting the playground and maintenance. Okay, constructing library. Then next they build the library. Establishing centers for informal and adult education. Okay, to establish the adult education. Adult education means முதியோர் கல்வி. முதியோர் கல்வினா முதியோர்கள் இருப்பாங்களா, வயதானவங்களை, அவங்க கல்வி அறிவு அறியாதவர்களாக இருப்பாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, அவங்களுக்காக முதியோர் கல்வி திட்டம் என்ன செய்யுது, இந்த பஞ்சாயத்து போர்டு கொண்டு வருது. ஆர்கனைசிங் ஃபெஸ்டிவல் இன் வில்லேஜ். ஓகே, எவ்ரி வில்லேஜ் conduct the many festivals. Okay, for example common festival, then religion festival. Okay, they are organizing the festival in village. Maintaining the cleanliness of village. Okay, the cleaning the villages. Okay, the maintaining the cleanliness of village. Okay, next, household tax, proportional tax, tax for drinking water, property tax. Okay student, the panchayat collected from the tax, household tax, proportional tax, tax for drinking water, property tax. Okay, they collected the tax. Okay student, okay, now let's see. Award are given to best performing panchayat and admiring village. 850 houses were built free of cost for the people in Odandurai Panchayat in Coimbatore. In Coimbatore, the place of Odandurai, the Panchayat construct the 850 houses for free cost. Okay student, then the panchayat attain the level of self-sufficiency to provide basic facility. Okay, the panchayat provide the basic facilities. This village got the following award: Nirmal Pushkar Award, Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Environment award. They got 2 awards, Nirmal Pushkar Awards and Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award. Indian. Dad, will you go to the Grama Sabha meeting which will be held tomorrow? Indian asked a question to his father. Will you go to the Grama Sabha meeting on tomorrow? Father said, sure, I will go. It is important to participate in the Grama Sabha meeting to discuss about the village development plan and take remedial measures. Okay, the father said, yes, yes, I will go to the Grama Sabha meeting. Okay, so discuss the about village development plans. Okay, students, Grama Sabha is root of democracy. Grama Sabha is the root of democracy. The Grama Sabha meeting must be held at least 4 times a year. In the year, the Grama Sabha must be held on the 4 times. Meeting must be conducted on following days. January 26. What is the importance of this day? Republic Day. Then 15 August, Independence Day. Then 1st May, Labor Day. Then 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. So these 4 days must be conduct the Grama Sabha meeting. Okay. Duties of Grama Sabha: planning and executing village developmental program. Okay, the Grama Sabha duties. What is the duty of Grama Sabha? Planning. Okay, the development, the village development. Okay, அந்த village எப்படி டெவலப் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி பிளானிங் இவங்க பிளான் பண்ணுவோம். வெரிஃபையிங் இன்கம் அண்ட் எக்ஸ்பென்சர் ஆஃப் தி வில்லேஜ் ஃபண்ட். ஓகே, எப்படி செலவு செய்வது அது குறித்து என்ன செய்வாங்க அவங்க டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. பிளானிங் டு rectify the grievances of the people. Okay, town panchayat. These are the same village panchayat in the town. Here the population ranges between 5,000 to 30,000. The members of the town panchayat are elected in the same way as village panchayat. That tenure is 5 years. They fulfill the basic requirement of the people of the town. What is the town panchayat? The town panchayat is also same method in the village panchayat. Okay, students. Keep watching video every day. Study well. Thank you, students.